Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently trading around $19,200, just around the 2018 all-time high. Finding the bear market bottom, when is the right time for us to buy more Bitcoin? In this video, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart from Bitcoin's inception in 2011 till 2022. We'll be looking at what Bitcoin has done in the previous bear market and how it has led to huge bull runs. We'll also be looking at some other charts that showed us accurately when to buy Bitcoin in the past. Will this chart be right now in the present, or will this time be different? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Bitcoin is up 2.1% in the last 1 week. In the last 1 month, it's down 3.7%. The big one is that in the last 1 year, Bitcoin is down 64.9%. We're still deep in the crypto bear market. Bitcoin dropped from an all-time high set in November 2021 when it was trading around $69,000. We have seen Bitcoin drop to as low as 17,800 in the bear market. That was a 73.69% drop from the all-time high. But is this what Bitcoin has done in the previous bear market? This is the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Let's look at what Bitcoin did in the 2014-2015 bear market. Guys, we saw Bitcoin go from as high as $1,168 to as low as $153. That represented an 86.89% drop in the price of Bitcoin. Now, guess what? Bitcoin in the next bear market went up from as high as $19,300 to as low as $3,100. That was another 84% drop in the price of Bitcoin. In the current bear market right now, Bitcoin is just down 73%. If Bitcoin is going to repeat what it did in the previous bear market and is going to go down into the 80% range, we'll see Bitcoin trading around $12,000. And that's why a lot of people in the market are expecting Bitcoin to go below $12,000. If you see people calling for the bottom of the bear market, they'll be telling you they will buy Bitcoin when it gets to $12,000, $10,000. And they have reasons to believe so. But another reason you want to pay attention to is what the Bitcoin RSI has done in the bear market. Now, in the previous bear market, we saw Bitcoin RSI came down to this 29.45 level. In 2018, Bitcoin did the same thing again. It came down to this 29.45 level. And guess what, guys? In 2022, Bitcoin RSI has gone to the lowest we've ever seen since when Bitcoin was created. It even went below this 29.45 level. Now, if RSI is anything to go by, it has accurately predicted the previous bottom of Bitcoin's bear market. And anytime we saw Bitcoin drop drastically from its all-time high and it got to that region on the RSI, that was a very good buying opportunity. If you are taking this signal into consideration and you bought some Bitcoin when it was trading for $200, it was in January 2015, guys, if you sold at the top of the market, Bitcoin went up 9,200%. The last time the RSI flashed, maybe just maybe you want to be getting some Bitcoin. If you bought some Bitcoin then around $3,000, Bitcoin went up to around $69,000, more than a 2,000% increase. If you believe that at some point in time in the future, we'll see Bitcoin trading above $100,000, I believe the bottom is in right now. I'll be showing you on that chart that is telling us maybe just maybe you want to pay attention to the price of Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin is going up towards $100,000, guys, you might get a 450% increase in your investment. Remember, this is not financial advice. The next indicator I want to show you is the Bitcoin 200-week moving average. Now, this average has accurately predicted the previous bear market bottom in 2015. When Bitcoin got to this region, the average was telling us maybe you want to be buying some Bitcoin right now, and it proved to be right because that was the bottom of the bear market. The next time Bitcoin found his bottom around the 200-week moving average. Bitcoin didn't go below the 200-week moving average. Now, something started happening in 2020. After the COVID sell-off, we saw Bitcoin go below that moving average. Right now in 2022, Bitcoin is currently consolidating below the 200-week moving average. A lot of people are saying maybe, just maybe, this time will be different, since the indicator has obviously been telling us the bottom was in for Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin has gone below its 200-week moving average. So should we trust this indicator? Guys, I want to show you another sign why I believe we are very, very close to the bottom for the Bitcoin bear market cycle. If you take a look at the 300-week moving average, you see that during the COVID sell-off, Bitcoin didn't just drop into oblivion. Bitcoin actually came down to touch the 300-week moving average. And that was the first time Bitcoin did it in its history. Right now in this bear market, Bitcoin is actually coming down to that average. For Bitcoin to get to the 300-week moving average right now, we'll see Bitcoin trading around 17,600, and that will not be a new low in this bear market. I believe the bottom is in. If you take into consideration that Bitcoin finds its bottom around the 200-week moving average, right now it's currently near 300-week moving average. Bitcoin RSI is flashing what it actually usually flashes near the bottom. Very, very strong indication we are closer to the bottom than we are to the top. Now, sentiment in the market is another important factor you want to pay attention to when we're getting to the bottom of the market. There will be a lot of fall in the market. A lot of people will tell you we're going lower. If you are bullish in the market right now, people will be calling you delusional. People are expecting lower prices. Sentiment in the market is in extreme fear, and that's one really, really important factor you want to pay attention to. A lot of people don't want to buy Bitcoin when it's in the extreme fear region. They only want to get it when it's in the extreme greed region. This is the crypto fear and greed index. This is the Bitcoin fear and greed index. Visualize. Anytime you see Bitcoin heading towards the green region, that's extreme greed. And anytime we are in this very brown region, that's extreme fear. And you can see that anytime we're in these clusters of extreme fear, that's been a good time to buy Bitcoin. Right now, we're in clusters of extreme fear. The fear and greed index, anytime it's very green, that means we're in extreme greed. Anytime it is very brown, we're in extreme fear. And right now, we're in extreme fear. Sentiment in the market is in trash. Bitcoin is flashing. Maybe, just maybe, you want to buy it. The RSI is at the lower end of this region. Guys, you want to pay attention to what Bitcoin is actually doing in this bear market. Another indicator you want to look out is the Bitcoin Rainbow Price Chart indicator. Now, this indicator is not 100% accurate. You should not take this to the bank. This is not what you should use to formulate your investment ideas. This is just a tool to show us where it will be the best time to buy Bitcoin and when is the right time to be selling Bitcoin. And you can see, according to the rainbow colors here, anytime we're in this blue region, it's a fire sale. This is going to be accumulating Bitcoin. And anytime we get to the red region, that's the maximum bubble territory. Now, Bitcoin can actually be ranging around this fire sale region for a long period of time. What happened in 2015 and 2016? We saw Bitcoin range for more than 9 months. Bitcoin was ranging from $150 to around $412. It took Bitcoin more than 500 days to complete that range. So I won't be shocked to see Bitcoin trading around $17,000 to maybe $25,000 till early March next year. And the bottom might just be in. When the bottom is in, a lot of people expecting lower prices just like they're expecting right now. You can see that in the COVID sell-off, right here, let me zoom in for you to clearly see. In the COVID sell-off, Bitcoin came to that basically a fire sale. Right now, Bitcoin is at that region. Do you want to be buying some Bitcoin right now? If you visualize the Bitcoin 200-week moving average, it has showed you that anytime we have come to this 200-week moving average, you want to pay attention to the price of Bitcoin. And right now, we are even below the 200-week moving average. Now, some other people are saying we're below it. You don't want to buy Bitcoin because this is the first time we're seeing Bitcoin go below its 200-week moving average. But guys, this is not the first time Bitcoin has done it. Bitcoin did it in March 2020. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you see Bitcoin going lower in the bear market? Do you think the right time to buy Bitcoin is now? I've showed you all these indicators are flashing. Maybe, just maybe, we're close to the bottom. Will you be buying more Bitcoin right now, or will you be waiting for lower prices? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. If you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms on Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, and Instagram. See you guys in my next video.